Hello family, welcome to Study Cakes. In this video I am going to unbox the physics wala modules for class 11th neet students. So I am a neet student and I am in class 11th as you know, and I used to make study vlogs in my this channel Study Cakes. So this is the unboxing of the physics wala platform modules. The modules is too big and it's too heavy too, so let's unbox it and let's give a quick review so that people or my friends or my family, those who want to buy the modules, uh, know about the module itself. So if you want to see study vlogs and get motivated, please do subscribe to the channel, as it gives you motivated videos every Sunday and Wednesday. So here are the modules. Okay, so there are 15 books totally. There are part modules, means 4 modules and 1 explanation book for each subject, which is PCMB. Let me head down on physics wala sir, Alag sir, as he's a god of physics and chemistry and bio and all the subjects I thought of. Before my class 11th I don't know about physics wala, but as usual I know later on. But it's a good platform. If you want to check out everything, the link is given below. You can just go to the platform and just, if you want to buy anything, you can just buy through the link itself. There are many things like previous year neat questions. Okay, train your brain are also there, which are very best. Okay, and in fact there are 15 modules as I tell you before. Okay, and this is for physics. Now let me show you for biology itself, and it's my favorite subject, biology, since biology is taught by Samapti ma'am and I love her teaching. Yeah, so now the first chapter is the living world, and they had provided 10 years questions. In fact, they have provided NCRT based question. They had given explanation, and in the last page they had written about the Arjuna need badge. If you want to look all through, you can just go in the physics wala app. They will show you the brief about the modules. You can just download the link. It will be given in the link description of my channel, this video. Now this is the second module. In this, blood fluids and many more things are given. This one, yeah, this one is the second module. There are 4 modules and one is the explanation, where the answer explanation are given. Okay, the explanation will be coming now. Just let me show you this one. In these books they give the explanation also, and then they give some questions, and some questions NCRT based, and they give topic wise questions and many more. This is chemistry. First one is explanation, and let me show you this module 1, which is starting with some basic concept of chemistry. I had finished it with my friends, as I told you before in my before videos. If you want to check it out, you can just go in the playlist, which is the playlist link is given in the description. You can just go and check it out. And also, if you want, as I have told you, you can subscribe to my channel if you want. Not I am not forcing you. Okay, just if you want to subscribe, then you can subscribe. My favorite subject is biology. Let me see you again. And there are NCRT based questions, as you can see I am pointing it out. There are multiple choice questions too, and let me show you, there are neat past 10-year questions too. Okay, for every single chapter, not only for one chapter but every single chapter. So that's all. Okay, for more reviews you can just check my channel, since I, in 1 week I used to do this unboxing every week.